You have only one body, and it's up to you to take care of it. A healthy diet, exercise, and rest are essential. But supplementing your body's system with the right nutrients is key for optimum health. Although medical treatment has historically focused on pharmaceuticals and surgery, there is a growing awareness in the medical community of the tremendous potential of natural alternatives, especially well-researched supernutrients like fucoidan. Fucoidan has already been cited more than 650 times in scientific studies published in the National Library of Medicine. And the results suggest that fucoidan is one of the most promising nutrients ever discovered. Fucoidan does not exist in any land-based plants, such as fruits or vegetables. It comes from a brown sea plant known as Limu, and has been the source of strength and vitality for the natives in the South Pacific for thousands of years. Modern science has discovered that there are over 70 other health-giving nutrients in Limu, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, as well as polyphenols, glyconutrients, alginate, and more. But by far the most exciting is fucoidan. The potential impact that this amazing fucoidan-rich superfood, Limu, could have on world health is astounding. Limu is already being embraced enthusiastically by a growing number of medical doctors and health professionals. Let's hear what some of them have to say.
Hi, my name is Dr. Donna Antar. I have been a medical doctor for over 20 years. I'm a Jonas Salk Medical Scholarship winner. I graduated Chancellor's Honor Roll from my undergrad school, a graduate of the University of San Diego School of Medicine. I am currently in private practice in San Diego. I do lectures and seminars on nutritional health worldwide, and I have a master's degree in exercise physiology. In all that time, I researched thousands of health products and recommended and probably have taken hundreds of them, and never before have I seen something so dramatically important as Limu, which, by the way, just means brown seaweed. I was initially interested in Limu because of the wealth of scientific information on this nutrient that's part of Limu that I had never even heard of before, and that nutrient's called fucoidan. Currently, there are over 600 independent studies on fucoidan, and this research reveals such a wide array of beneficial biological activities that it's easy to understand why it's so vital. Fucoidan, in my opinion, is not only an extremely beneficial and naturally occurring nutrient, it is essential for optimal health. It's not found in any land plant or even all seaweeds. Only some species of brown seaweed have a large concentration of fucoidan. And from a nutritional chemistry point of view, it's a biologically active sulfonated polysaccharide. Now, don't forget, Limu is more than just fucoidan. It contains over 70 other vital nutrients that, in balance, they work synergistically together with each other and with the fucoidan in proportions designed by Mother Nature. And that's really important because Mother Nature knows what we need, knows what kind of balance and combination is going to work the best. Some of these nutrients are, for example, vitamins, minerals, polyphenols, which are powerful plant antioxidants, amino acids, essential fatty acids like omega-3s, and nature's own natural cellular detoxifier, alginate, and that's obviously just a few of the over 70 nutrients. What was even more impressive to me, and it continues to be more impressive to me, is that the real-life results that people are achieving they go together. They seem to parallel what I continue to see in the literature. An example of this is very close to my heart, and that's my father. When he came to live with us, he was diagnosed, before he came to live with us, with severe Alzheimer's. And with his condition, he mostly didn't know who myself or my husband George was. He was incredibly disoriented, somewhat paranoid, aggressive. It was very, very difficult. And what I found was I started giving him Limu. And after a couple of weeks, I noticed, both of us noticed a significant improvement. He now, after just a few months on Limu, now he's been on it for obviously over 3 years, he knows who people are. He always knows who I am. Even if he meets people, he'll know who you are. He probably will remember you, and he doesn't even look like a person who has Alzheimer's anymore. And I got my dad back, and that really is, nothing can take the place of that. And in May of 2005, the European Journal of Neuroscience, there were Canadian researchers, and what they found was that Fucoidan had neuroprotective effects against beta amyloid, and that's the bad protein that deposits in the brain and they believe causes Alzheimer's. And what they found is that it seems to protect the brain against that in cultures of rats. Now, I could have waited, until May of 2005 to try Limu on him, but I didn't, and I'm very glad that I didn't. Now that the research bears out what I'm finding in real life, and I see this over and over and over again with results and testimonials that I hear every day, new testimonials, that they parallel what the literature is showing. Some of the research on Fucoidan shows a wide array of benefits. For example, it shows antiviral, antibacterial. It helps improve immune system dysfunction. It shows that it helps to lower blood fats like cholesterol, mobilizes stem cells, and shows an assist in normalizing blood sugars in diabetics. It has anti-cancer benefits. The American Journal of Hematology in 2005 showed that Fucoidan has direct anti-cancer effects on human HS sultan cells, which were the cells they used as a model for the malignant cells. Fucoidan also improves skin firmness, wound healing, and moisture retention. And most importantly is it has tremendous anti-inflammatory properties. And not only the research journals, but a recent cover of Time magazine showed that inflammation is the secret killer. And they talked about inflammation and its link to heart attack, stroke, arthritis, diabetes, Alzheimer's, asthma, cancer, MS, and many other diseases. Inflammation appears to be the underlying cause of all of our degenerative diseases. In my opinion, everyone, children, seniors, adults, athletes, teens, all need to be drinking Limu. It is the ultimate anti-aging nutrient, and it is vital to optimal nutrition.